Hey again, everyone. Mr. Tim here, and this is Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and common sense. Most people think AI gives bad answers because they ask a bad question. That's not what's happening. AI usually gives bad answers because one sentence earlier you let it drift and never corrected it. Here's the good news. You don't need better prompts. Instructions is what I call them. You don't need to restart the chat. You don't need to learn AI. In most cases, one correction sentence fixes the entire conversation. AI isn't failing, it's doing exactly what you told it to do, including the parts you didn't realize you told it. Every response is built on your words, your assumptions, and whatever ambiguity you left uncorrected. Once AI locks onto the wrong frame, it keeps going confidently in the wrong direction. Most people think AI mistakes happen at the question. They don't. They happen after the first answer, when the user accepts the wrong frame and keeps talking. That's the moment that matters, and that's the moment almost nobody fixes. Here's the one sentence, the correction sentence that fixes most bad AI conversations. Professor T, you're answering this as if, but what I actually need is that's it. No restart, no apology, no reprompting marathon. Let's say AI gives you a long, confident answer, and halfway through you realize this isn't what I meant. Most people stop here, or they start over. Instead, you say, you're answering this as if I want general information, but what I actually need is a step-by-step checklist. Watch what happens next. AI snaps back into alignment because now the frame is corrected. If you've ever thought AI keeps missing the point, or it sounds smart but isn't useful, or maybe you think, I must not be asking this right. That's not a skill problem. That's a mid-conversation correction problem. Professionals don't talk to AI differently at the start. They talk to it differently after the first answer. They correct early, they correct clearly, and they never let the conversation drift. That one correction sentence you just heard, that's page one of the $9 Everyday AI Quick Fix Kit. No fluff, no theory, just the exact sentences that fix AI answers while you're already in the conversation. If you've been using AI and thinking, I almost get good answers, but not quite, you're closer than you think. You don't need smarter AI, you need one better sentence. In the next episode, I'll show you how to redirect AI without restarting the chat at all. Once you learn that, you stop fighting the tool and start controlling it. Till next time, you're in the right place.